Does ChatGPT compromise privacy? Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of the ChatGPT and its privacy. Today, we have an intriguing question that, does ChatGPT compromise privacy? Well, get ready to be amazed because we have the answer for you. So, let's get started. In today's digital age, concerns about privacy and data security have become increasingly prevalent. As artificial intelligence (AI) technologies continue to advance, one question that arises is whether these technologies compromise user privacy. ChatGPT, a popular conversational AI developed by OpenAI, has raised concerns in this regard. This article will delve into the privacy implications of ChatGPT and explore the potential risks it poses to user data. What are the potential consequences of unlawfully collected data? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has gained significant popularity due to its advanced conversational capabilities. However, along with its success, concerns regarding user privacy have emerged. To better understand the privacy implications of ChatGPT, it is crucial to examine how the system collects and utilizes data. Understanding ChatGPT's data collection. ChatGPT is built upon a large language model that requires extensive amounts of data to function effectively. OpenAI trained the model on approximately 300 billion words sourced from various online platforms, including books, articles, websites, and posts. This massive data collection encompasses personal information without explicit user consent. Privacy concerns and implications. 1. Lack of consent and contextual integrity. One significant privacy concern is the lack of consent regarding the use of personal data in ChatGPT's training. Users who have written blog posts, product reviews, or commented on articles online might find their information consumed by ChatGPT without their knowledge or permission. This violation of privacy disregards the fundamental principle of contextual integrity, which requires information to remain within its original context. 2. Compliance with GDPR. OpenAI's data collection practices for ChatGPT raise questions about compliance with the European General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The GDPR grants individuals the right to check whether a company stores their personal information and request its deletion. However, OpenAI does not provide procedures for users to verify their data storage or request its removal, potentially violating GDPR requirements. 3. Copyright infringement. Another concern is the use of proprietary or copyrighted data for training ChatGPT. The model has been observed generating output that includes copyrighted text, such as passages from books. This raises issues of copyright protection and intellectual property rights, as ChatGPT's generation capabilities do not account for copyright considerations. 4. Uncompensated data usage. OpenAI's acquisition of vast amounts of data from the internet without compensation to individuals, website owners, or companies who produced it is an additional. 1. Privacy policy and user prompts. ChatGPT saves all the prompts, questions, and queries entered by users, storing them as chat history. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, collects various user information, including email addresses, phone numbers, geolocation data, network activity information, and more. OpenAI reviews conversations to ensure compliance with content policies and uses them to improve the chatbot and its other products. The privacy policy states that personal information is anonymized when used to enhance the service, but there is no guarantee that all sensitive information will be hidden or stripped. 2. Risks of sharing sensitive information. Sharing sensitive information with ChatGPT poses risks, as it may be stored and potentially accessed by humans working for OpenAI or leaked to users of future versions of the chatbot. Due to this risk, some businesses, including financial institutions, may restrict the use of ChatGPT to avoid exposing sensitive data. It is advisable to refrain from sharing sensitive information with ChatGPT to mitigate these risks. 3. Storage duration of chats. ChatGPT retains the chat history and user data for as long as the user's account remains open. Users can view and delete their saved conversations with ChatGPT, but even if deleted, OpenAI may continue to use the data to improve its AI models. To permanently delete saved ChatGPT data, users need to delete their OpenAI account. 4. Regulatory actions and public scrutiny. ChatGPT's privacy practices have raised concerns among privacy advocates and experts. The collection and use of personal data without explicit consent, potential violation of contextual integrity, and lack of procedures for individuals to check or request the deletion of their personal information are some of the issues highlighted. OpenAI's privacy policy and compliance with regulations like the European General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, are subjects of ongoing debate and scrutiny. 5. Conclusion. ChatGPT saves user data, including conversations and personal details, for improving its language model and generating responses. While OpenAI takes steps to reduce the amount of personal information in training datasets, concerns regarding privacy, data security, and potential misuse of sensitive information persist. Users should exercise caution when sharing sensitive data and consider the implications of storing and using their information by ChatGPT and OpenAI. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a fascinating science update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing discoveries. Signing off from the Science Questions, this is Arif on SCILENSE English. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.